Hello students, let us continue chapter 3 playing with numbers. The next topic we are going to discuss is highest common factor. Now highest common factor में we have the word common factor which we are already familiar with. We know how to find common factors of given numbers. Now उसमें से हमें highest number find करना है, then we will get the highest common factor of given number. So consider any two numbers. For example, 12 and 16. The common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. These are the common factors of 12 and 16. अब इसमें से highest कौन सा है? The highest common factor is 4. Therefore, the HCF, that is the highest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. Similarly, for the numbers 20, 28 and 36, we have the common factors which are 1, 2 and 4. और इसमें से highest कौन सा है, सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? That is 4. Therefore, the highest common factor of 20, 28 and 36 is again 4. The highest common factor HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor, that is GCD. So यहाँ पे HCF को हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बोलते हैं. उसका मतलब क्या है? दो या दो से ज़्यादा गिवन नंबर्स का जो फैक्टर है, कॉमन फैक्टर है, उसमें से सबसे बड़ा नंबर, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर और हाईएस्ट नंबर. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड HCF. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज GCD, विच मीन्स ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर. Here we are given a method to find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 by prime factorization of these numbers. So here we have 20, 28 and 36 prime factorization, यानी कि we have the factors of these numbers. So अब इसमें से हम लोग common factors find करेंगे. कैसे find करते हैं? We have already discussed this in exercise 3.4. Here we can observe that 2 and 2, that is 2 multiplied by 2 is common in 20, 28 and 36 factors. इनके factors में ये दो numbers जो है 2 और 2 दोनों common है. So here the common factor of 20, 28 and 36 is 2, which is occurring twice. कितनी बार है? दो बार है. दो बार कोई नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So we will have 2 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 4. So इन नंबर्स का यानी कि 20, 28 and 36, the HCF of these three numbers is 2 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 4. जस्ट इमेजिन अगर सिर्फ टू होता इनके कॉमन फैक्टर्स में तो HCF वुड बी इक्वल टू 2. और समझो 2 और 3 ये दोनों कॉमन फैक्टर्स होते तो क्या करेंगे? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 2 with 3, then 2 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 6. That will be the common factor of those numbers. It is just for एक्सप्लेनिंग. मैं समझा रही हूँ कि अगर आप लोग को दो सेम नंबर्स मिल रहे हैं तो उनको भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दो डिफरेंट नंबर्स मिल रहे हैं तो उनको भी हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करके HCF फाइंड करेंगे, या फिर अगर सिंगल नंबर है, कोई एक ही नंबर है, तो दैट इटसेल्फ विल बी द HCF ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स. सो लेट अस कंसिडर फ्यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, देन वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक बेटर. फॉर दैट लेट अस नाउ स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 3.6. Question number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers. First, 18, 48. So in this question we have to find the HCF, that means the highest common factor of the given numbers. First of all for 18 and 48. So for finding the highest common factor of 18 and 48, we will first of all factorize 18 and 48. We know that 18 is 2 multiplied by 9 and 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3. So 18 का जो prime factorization है that is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. In the same way 48 is 2 multiplied by 24. So 24 का भी जब prime factorization करेंगे then we will have 2 multiplied by 12. So 2 लिखेंगे क्योंकि वो प्राइम नंबर है, एंड 12 को हम लोग कैसे फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So this is the prime factorization of both the numbers 18 and 48. Next, we will see the common factors. For finding the highest common factor, we need to find the common factor of the given numbers. So here we can observe that 2 is common in both the factors of these numbers, and 3 is also common factor. 3 is a factor of 18 and 48 both. So 3 and 2. These are the common factors of 18 and 48. The common factors of 18 and 48 are 2 and 3. Therefore, the HCF of 18 and 48 is 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6. So the HCF, highest common factor of 18 and 48 is 6. Similarly, for finding the HCF of 30 and 42, we will first find the factors of 30 and the factors of 42. So we know that 30 can be written as 3 multiplied by 10 and 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5. So this is the prime factorization of 30. For 42, we know that 42 can be written as 2 multiplied by 21 and 21 can be written as 3 multiplied by 7. So this is the prime factorization of 42. Next, we will have to find the common factors. So here 2 is common and 3 is also common. So in this case also 2 and 3 are the common factors of 30 and 42. Therefore, the HCF of 30 and 42 will be 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6. So the HCF of 30 and 42 is 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6. क्योंकि common factors कौन से हैं? Common factors of 30 and 42 are 2 and 3. So just like A and B, you have to solve C, D, E and F in your notebook in the same way. Here we have to find the highest common factor or the greatest common divisor of 70, 105 and 175. So here first of all we will have to do the factorization. इनके factors find करने पड़ेंगे. We all know how to find the factors of given numbers by prime factorization. So प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के इनके फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वी विल फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स. सो हियर वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट 5 and 7 बोथ आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ ऑल द 3 नंबर्स. तीनों नंबर में जो कॉमन है वो देखना है यहाँ पे. सो हियर 5 and 7 आर कॉमन इन ऑल द 3 नंबर्स. तीनों नंबर्स में 5 और 7 फैक्टर है. तीनों नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स 5 और 7 है. देयरफॉर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर 5 and 7. Thus, the HCF will be 5 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 35. So, in this way you have to write the solution in your notebook. The common factors of 70, 105 and 175 are 5 and 7. The HCF of these numbers are 5 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 35. So just like sub question G, for finding the highest common factors of 91, 112 and 49, we will first factorize these numbers, that is find the factors of these numbers, and then we will find the common factor. So here we can observe that the common factor is 7. There is only one common factor, that is 7. इन numbers में और कोई factors जो है वो common नहीं है. Therefore the HCF of 91, 112 and 49 is 7. The common factor of 91, 112 and 49 is 7. Therefore, the HCF of these 3 numbers is 7. In the same way, you have to solve the remaining questions of question number 1, just like we solved question number G and H on your own in your notebook. Question number 2. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive A numbers, B even numbers, C odd numbers? So in this question we are asked about the HCF of any 2 consecutive numbers, even numbers, 2 consecutive even numbers and 2 consecutive odd numbers. So first of all, let us discuss about the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers. For that, consider the example of 3 and 4. These 2 are consecutive numbers. Here the factors of 3 include 1 and 3. Since 3 is a prime number, 3 के factors कौन से हैं? 1 and 3. Similarly, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. These 3 numbers are the factors of 4. Now, what is common in these 2? In factors में जो common है, that is 1. 1 is common in बोथ दीज नंबर्स, उसके अलावा इन नंबर्स के कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर्स नहीं है. सो यहाँ पे 3 और 4 का जो हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर है, क्योंकि 1 के अलावा कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, देयरफॉर द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर विल ऑल्सो बी 1. सो फॉर 2 consecutive numbers 3 and 4, the HCF is 1. Let us consider one more example, 8 and 9. Now the factors of 8 include 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. Similarly, the factors of 9 include 1, 3 and 9. These are the factors of 9. अब इसमें भी we can observe that the common factor is only 1. एक ही common factor है and that is 1. 1 के अलावा कोई भी common factor नहीं है. So in this case also the highest common factor is 1. For 8 and 9 also the highest common factor is 1. So we can say that the HCF of two consecutive numbers is 1. We can also observe that two consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. 3 and 4 are also co-prime numbers. Similarly, 8 and 9 are also co-prime numbers because they have only 1 as their common factor. Therefore, the HCF of two consecutive numbers is 1. Next, for even numbers, consider two consecutive even numbers. For example, 4 and 6. These are two consecutive even numbers. The factors of 4 include 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, the factors of 6 include 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6 and these are the factors of 4. So here we can observe 2 is a common factor. 1 के अलावा जो common factor है वो 2 है और कोई number common नहीं है factors में. So here the HCF of 4 and 6 is equal to 2. You can also write this as 2 multiplied by 1, which will again be equal to 2. So the HCF of the consecutive even numbers 4 and 6 is 2. Similarly, you can take example of any other consecutive even numbers. For example, 10 and 12. इनके जब आप लोग HCF कैलकुलेट करोगे, then you will get their HCF will be equal to 2. Similarly, for 22, 24, these are also consecutive even numbers. इनके बीच में और कोई even number नहीं आता है. So यहाँ पे 2 is their highest common factor. You can verify this by actually finding their HCF. So generally, we can say that the HCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. For two consecutive odd numbers, consider two consecutive odd numbers 15 and 17. These are two consecutive odd numbers. Here the factors of 15 include 1, 3, 5 and 15. 17 is a prime number, therefore 1 and 17 are the factors of 17. अब in this case also the common factor is 1, therefore the highest common factor is 1. Similarly, you can consider other examples. 25 is an odd number and 27 is an odd number. The factors of 25 include 1, 5 and 25. For 27 we have 1, 3, 9 and 27. In this case also there is only one common factor, that is 1. 1 के अलावा कोई common factor नहीं है दोनों numbers में. So we can say that the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1. In this way, you have to write the solution in your notebook. Question number 3. The HCF of coprime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 and 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? In this question, we are given the factors of 4 and 15. 4 के जो factors है that is 2 multiplied by 2 and the factors of 15 include 3 and 5. So here there is no common prime factor. इसमें कोई common prime factor नहीं है. तो क्वेश्चन में कह रहे हैं कि इनका HCF जो है हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर जो है वो 0 है. क्या ये आंसर करेक्ट है? अगर करेक्ट नहीं है तो करेक्ट HCF क्या है? Here in the question it is given that 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Now we all know the meaning of co-prime numbers. We have discussed this before. Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. So here, since 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers, they have 1 as a common factor. उनका जो एक common factor है वो 1 है. So question में जो answer given है, that answer is wrong. Since they have 1 as a common factor, the HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. HCF of two co-prime numbers will always be 1. There won't be any two numbers जिनका HCF 0 होगा, यानी कि HCF of any two numbers is never 0. So in this way you have to write the solution. Since 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers, they have 1 as a common factor. ये क्या है? Definition है co-prime numbers का. So the highest common factor of 4 and 15 is 1.